What's up? It's your friend, the #1 Hosky fan here, and if you're a fan, then this is the place for you. So in this video, I'm going to be transforming a premier low quality meme into a high quality meme using the power of AI. I just want to showcase something that I just found out is like so cool. So first we need to get our low quality meme. Now we're here on the Hosky Discord, and in Discord they have these things called stickers. So here's a sticker. Let's say I want to use this and transform it into a high quality meme. No matter how far I zoom in, the quality is still low quality. If I zoom in or zoom out, it's still the same. So whatever shall I do? I'm going to show you what we're going to do. First, we'll zoom in as far as we can, and then we're going to do a print screen. And then we're going to take that print screen into our image editor. Okay. So now, guys, that we've got this, we're going to crop everything else out. We only have the sticker here. Boom. So we've got our image. Still, no matter what happens, you zoom in, still blurry. Look at that. Pixels everywhere. So first off, let's go ahead and save this. Okay, so we got it saved. Now, let's go and type in AI image upscaler. Auto completes. Boom. Drag and drop or upload. So let's go ahead and upload that, and we're going to do 400%. Let's go ahead and hit start. So while that's doing that, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the source file just to show you guys how it looks here. And look at some properties. We've got 599 by 599 pixels. Pretty low qual, especially in that day and age of 4K TVs. Come on, guys, we can do better than that, can we? All right, looks like it's done. Let's go ahead and hit download. Boom, guys, look at that. Perfect. Let's go ahead and save it. Let's wait for it to download. That is a huge image, guys. So let's put these side by side. So that's the original. Let's move that to the left here. And then here is the upscale using the power of AI. Look at there. You zoom into the eye still looks clear. Zoom into the eye over here. Look at there, all those pixels. Let's just do those side by side, guys. Zoom in, equal distance. Look at there. And this is how you turn low quality images into high quality images in less than, what was that? That was less than 4 minutes. Wow. You saw it here first, guys. Remember, AI is coming for your jobs. No, I'm just joking. But anyways, this channel is the #1 Hosky fan. And if you're a Hosky fan, this is the place for you. Go ahead and leave a comment in the description below if you want me to put a link to all the resources I used. And let me know what you guys think. Catch you in the next one. Peace.